Texas Instruments CC1352R wireless MCU LaunchPad SensorTag kit integrates sensing, wireless connectivity, and easy-to-use software for prototyping connected applications. The kit is based on the CC1352R multi-band wireless MCU, which features a 48 MHz ARM Cortex-M4F processor, an ultra-low power sensor controller, and concurrent multi-band, multi-protocol operation for sub-1 GHz and 2.4 GHz connections through a dedicated ARM Cortex-M0 radio controller. The board can operate from AAA or CR2032 batteries and also offers 4 low-power environmental and motion sensors, with the option to add more hardware using TI booster packs or other hardware components. TI offers an SDK, multiple software examples, and the Simple Link Starter mobile app to support rapid development using the kit.